What's up, y'all? Your boy Dominoes 7 here. Like to welcome y'all to this Dominoes 7 vlog, okay? Alright, so what I want to talk about this Christmas is about 2 weeks away to Christmas, okay? Yes, indeed. I can hardly wait. I could be wrong, 3 weeks. This is to today, December the 7th, 2020. Alright? And guess what your boy Dominoes 7 getting for Christmas? Alright, y'all saw the title though, okay? Your boy Dominoes 7 getting a Sega Dreamcast for Christmas, okay? You know what? I know some of you got so much to say about that. So some of you will probably say, man, what you doing getting a Sega Dreamcast? That's played out. PlayStation 5s is popular. Well, okay. Yeah, I never had a Sega Dreamcast before, okay? Christmas of 2001, I was supposed to get a Sega Dreamcast for Christmas 2001, okay? I know what year we in, 2020 I should say, you know? I wanted a Sega Dreamcast. I went to Electronics Boutique, aka EB Games. I went to the one in the St. Bernard Center, where Benson Tower is now, you know. It used to be the New Orleans Center right by the Superdome, you know. I went over there instead of going to the whatchamacallit, the Riverwalk one, you know. So I could have went here. Well, maybe the one at whatchamacallit was probably sold out too, you know. So anyway, I wanted to get Sonic Adventure, Marvel vs. Capcom, and stuff like that. But thank God I got Marvel vs. Capcom right now. You know, I got the last 3. I meant to say. I was about to say 4, but I have the last 3. The one that was released. I forgot what they call it. Okay. Then I had the Ultimate Marvel vs. Capcom. Yep. The Ultimate Marvel vs. Capcom 3. And then the regular Marvel vs. Capcom 3, okay? So, well, some of you already know that because I've done a video a couple of years back showing y'all my collection, you know? So, anyway, I sure can't wait till I get a Sega Dreamcast, you know? I already got a Nintendo GameCube, you know? I want to tell y'all something. My cousin Reginald got the Sega Dreamcast for Christmas in 1999. You know, so a demo disc came with it. There's Sonic Adventure, all type of stuff. You know, so Reginald, yeah, he was hogging that game though. Okay, so playing Sonic Adventure, you know, yes indeed, you know, but you know what, my cousin Elton got a Sega Dreamcast, but I doubt it if he got Sonic Adventure. I doubt that. My cousin Bradley got a Sega Dreamcast, I think in 2000, I do believe. Yeah, 2000. And then he had a basketball game, Sonic Adventure, and Namco Museum. Okay, quite the same as the one on PlayStation 2. You know, like the one I got. You know. Have pole position. Speaking of pole position, I ain't know that a cartoon of pole position. Yes, indeed. Yes. I mean, that was so awesome, you know. Yeah. Pole position. I mean, I started watching pole position. I think when I moved in this house, you know. So I didn't know my Nintendo Wii U could broadcast YouTube, you know. So I tried it. First I was by Randy house, Randy TV, and I didn't know how the hell I mean, say what the hell he was watching though. So anyway, he told me it was YouTube on his TV, broadcast from his Xbox 360 at the time. Yep. So what he was watching? Chris Smooth, you know. Yeah, I enjoy Chris Smooth, you know. Yeah. This is for you. Yep, because you know, Randy TV love your show, man. Okay, playing basketball and stuff like that. You know, So you know, I mean, he go both ways, just like I go both ways. I watch YouTube on my computer sometimes, you know, and then if I want to lay down, lay on my butt, lay on my back, I'll watch YouTube on my TV. But if I want to sit on my butt, I'll watch YouTube on my computer. Too much Rugrats, y'all. Compooper. Whatever. Yeah, so anyway, it's gonna be a Dreamcast of a day, a Dreamcast of a Christmas. Disregard that. That was my phone. Something from Facebook. But anyway, unfortunately, I'm getting a Sega Genesis. Now, I already got a Sega Genesis. I want to get a 16-bit and a Sega 3. But anyway, as I was saying, y'all, I mean, unfortunately, I'm getting it after Christmas, okay? Because I ordered 3 or 4 Dreamcast games, you know, and y'all gonna find out pretty soon, okay, what the hell I got, okay? Yes, indeed. You know, my cousin Elton had a fighting game, a basketball game. I don't know about a football game though. You know, I wasn't going to play no Sega Dreamcast until I played my Nintendo 64. My mama bought us that. Well, let me tell y'all the truth. My mama bought me a Super Nintendo, and then Brock, my twin brother, wanted a Nintendo 64. Okay? So, got a Nintendo 64, and then he barely played it. You know, he played my Sega Genesis. I mean, not Sega Genesis, my Super Nintendo. You know, my dumbass got Pac-Man too. You know, barely like that. You know. So anyway, y'all. I mean, I want to tell y'all, we was living in this area in 1999 when my mama got married. Well, screw that. I'm gonna talk about that another time. Okay. All right. But what I'm gonna say is, what the hell? New school quarantine guidelines. Never mind that. Okay. But anyway, I'm getting a Sega Dreamcast for Christmas, y'all. Okay. That's all y'all need to know. And I'll probably be on that Dreamcast. I'll probably even put it in my room or in the living room. Well, if I have company, I'll put it in the living room. Well, anyway, I'll see what the heck I'm going to do. Okay? All right, so that's all y'all need to know. Thank y'all for watching. Good vlog. All right? Ta-ta for now.